It looks like the S Pen is gaining some new party tricks with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you thought the Red Hydrogen 1 would be extra powerful, think again. And if you want the Red Edition OnePlus 6, you better hurry. I'm Jaime Rivera. Fun fact, there is also a Spanish version of the Pocketnow Daily going live as of today. We would really appreciate your support. There will be a link at the end of the video. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for a Microsoft Surface, this is the time to buy. There are options for the Surface laptop currently at Best Buy that are as low as $699. You get the new Surface Pro tablet, aka whatever, for $799, and there are other options as well depending on the processor that you're looking for, etc. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about OPPO. The company has just provided us with pricing information for the new Find X. For those of you wondering, if you're going for the 128 gig variant, it starts at the equivalent of $755. If you want the 256 gig model, that's close to $905. Oh my god, if you want that Lambo edition, you get the free headphones and everything, but it's $1,500. Again, you can learn more in the description as well. Now let's talk about the new Red OnePlus 6 that has been teased, that is now official. Pre-orders have begun, and I suggest you move fast. As you know, limited edition phones don't last long. That limited silk white went out quickly. You can definitely expect some coverage from us on that Red OnePlus 6 coming very soon. I cannot wait to get my unit, as oh my god, the teasers look amazing. Now, according to benchmarks, those of you that are planning to get this amazing new Red Hydrogen 1, hold your horses. It seems that the project is so on its way that the company had to stick to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. I'm not saying it's a bad processor, it's just last year's processor, which is not as efficient or as capable as the 845 in a couple of things. So yeah, Snapdragon 835, we wonder exactly why. Why not just delay it a little more and bring the 845 if you're already delayed this much? And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Those of you that are bored of getting an S Plus variant with a pen, apparently Samsung is going to change things. We've got some sources claiming that we're getting Bluetooth functionality on the S Pen, which could mean a couple of good and bad things. The good thing is more functionality. You're able to control your music with the pen, etc. Not sure you're going to use that for that. But the biggest hurdle is how exactly are you going to charge that thing, as you do need to charge the S Pen for that. I wonder if there are some wireless contacts like we see with smartwatches or whatever the case may be. Let us know in the comments. Would this be a reason for you to use the S Pen? The fact that there is Bluetooth connectivity and new features? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. And again, for those of you in the Spanish-speaking audience, we would really love your support. Follow our new YouTube channel with Pocketnow Daily and our new video. This project is a labor of love that we've been trying to get off the ground for the past 6 months, and it will remain so long as you provide us your support. Thank you so much for watching. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the always connected PC down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.